Throughout the long term, a few Tesla investigations and bulls have shared various learning experiences for Tesla, even as recently as 2013. The automaker has been performing staggeringly well, overtaking the opposition and reliably expanding its income and net revenue. In the event that you're a Tesla financial backer, you ought to realize that there is minimal that can keep the EV creator from accomplishing its objectives. So assuming you're yet to stack up on more Tesla shares, this moment might be the opportunity to do so, as that is a $1 trillion opportunity coming for Tesla, and it vows to be tremendous for the vehicle organization and its financial backers. Hello everybody, invite back to Tesla tomorrow. Tesla is giving its all to bring down the expense of delivering its vehicles and subsequently diminish the cost of a television during a past Goldman Sachs tech gathering in San Francisco. Tesla's head of financial backer relations, Martin Vieja, uncovered that Tesla has proactively started its assembly enhancements, which are vital for scaling EV creation to mass market levels, as per Vieja. The streamlining of Tesla's creation gathering cycle will permit the automaker to slice its creation costs per vehicle from an astounding $84,000 in 2017 to only $36,000 in the late quarters. Tesla utilized new creation strategies and another processing plant intended to improve creation and reduce the time expected to construct vehicles. The vehicle organization likewise started to remodify EVs by eliminating a few sections it can manage without, for example, the USS, which takes up a huge piece of Tesla's creation spending plan. For what reason should financial backers purchase more Tesla shares? Continue to watch to find out yet before we get into it. In the event that you like this kind of satisfaction, remember to like, buy in, and turn on notices to move state-of-the-art on everything along with Tesla's energy business is a major mother lode yet to be tapped. It has been flourishing throughout the long term and is developing quicker. The automaker revealed in a past quarterly letter to investors that it created 1,100 megawatt-long stretches of energy stockpiling, up 62% year-over-year, which was by a wide margin the most significant level of energy stockpiling advancements that it's consistently accomplished, and to all the more likely location the quickly developing business sector for its energy stockpiling business. Tesla said it was sloking up creation at its production line in Lathrop, California, while talking about energy requests. Cathie Wood expressed that the interest in unrefined petroleum might have crested in 2019 at 100.5 million barrels a day, especially now that EVS has taken a portion of the all-out car deals and ride-hailing organizations like Uber are collaborating with rental vehicle organizations like Hertz to lease EVS. She referred to her explanation that EV support costs are 50 to 60% lower than those for internal combustion vehicles. As per Hark's exploration, independent electric request by 25 to 30% to 72.6 million barrels each day in 2030. Close to their high usage rate compared with individual vehicles, Tesla's sun-oriented business is additionally a possible driver for the organization's development. In 2021, the organization revealed $801 million in income from its energy, age, and capacity business, which incorporates three fundamental items. In spite of the fact that Tesla isn't yet completely centered around its solar-based business, there will in any case be amazing chances to completely enhance the business later on. In a past meeting, Musk affirmed that Tesla is hoping to make a lower estimated vehicle. In view of past explanations, this will probably be a Chinese plan. 20K to 35K would be more modest if it could likewise logically be a human-driven and robo-taxi stage during the gathering that followed the distribution of Tesla's monetary outcomes for the second from last quarter of 2022. Musk likewise emphasized Tesla's arrangement to create less expensive vehicles in light of having finished the improvement of the Semi and the digital truck. Tesla has zeroed in on the advancement of another stage for the up-and-coming age of electric vehicles, which will decrease creation expenses to make electric vehicles less expensive. As per Musk, this new stage will act as the reason for an electric vehicle being more modest than the Model 3 and furthermore less expensive. The objective for this stage is to diminish Tesla's creation costs by 50 when contrasted with a Model 3 on the Model Y, and this decrease likewise incorporates less requirement for work and space inside the processing plant offices. Musk likewise expressed that with this new stage, Tesla plans to fabricate a more noteworthy number of vehicles than all of the Tesla vehicles together. This would mean assembling more than 1 million units every extended time of its most reasonable electric vehicle, despite the fact that right now there is no particular date walk for its creation. Tesla has become one of the world's most productive organizations, and this can be enormously credited to its capacity to bring down the cost of creation and increment income through deals. For a vehicle organization, a few variables add to the all-out cost of their vehicles. This incorporates support costs, human expenses, and gas-powered motor vehicles. Diesel or gas cost, though through Tesla's EVs as well as its semi, this cost is essentially discounted. Diesel fuel is one of the greatest working costs for shipping organizations and contributes gigantically to the expense of possessing one of these vehicles anyway. With the semi, this additional expense can be effectively stayed away from. Similarly, diesel SIT represents an enormous piece of realized airborne cancer-causing agents. Thus, by supplanting maturing diesel vehicles with AVS, these issues can be tried not to accord to Tesla. A completely electric semi will cost impressively less to work per mile. In like manner with Tesla, upkeep cost is fundamentally brought down. This could save truck proprietors from spending considerably more beside the underlying expense of buying these vehicles. In 2017, Tesla declared that the normal base cost for a truck with 300 miles reach would begin at human drivers for these vehicles. Another justification for why the Tesla semi will be tremendous is that an elevated degree of security for Tesla well-being is key, which is the reason the Tesla Semi might have a preferred market advantage over its rivals in this regard. The Tesla Semi's electric engine drivetrain, which is PC-controlled and can answer quickly, offers benefits in footing and steadiness control to make trucks more secure for anybody out and about, and the truck's product control framework could likewise prevent a truck from jackknifing. The Tesla Semi truck can altogether make the most of its special electric drivetrain, which incorporates free engines for every one of the wheels. The truck can detect the dissemination of weight across those haggles or break them as needed to boost foothold control and consequently be right for things like oversteer and light-of-weight moves. The expanded carry-out of this vehicle will just add to Tesla's, as of now, vigorous net revenue. There are a few motivations behind why Tesla's benefit per conveyance ought to remain at $10,000 by 2030 or much higher, which will additionally build its benefit each year and cost to income different, while kept recently expressed that the vehicle organization is wanting to deliver 20 million vehicles by 2030. If it creates this number and furthermore figures out its conveyance costs, then income could go considerably higher. Tesla additionally plans to create a great many of these robots, selling them for under $20,000 each. He further expressed that he considers the Tesla bot to be an unbelievable advancement in 5 or a decade from now. In the event that Tesla can increase the development of Optimus and furthermore increment the rollout of its FSD programming, it could make huge income in the future other than from the FSD and Optimus innovations. Tesla could likewise procure critical benefits from its robot taxis and semi-trucks. Tesla's financial backer purchased Leo Freight on his phone so that Tesla could create its own little robosalts. He made $200 benefit each year by selling the vehicle at $100,000 for each FSD to private proprietors and gathering up to 20% to 40% charges. Tokyum claims that he is extra bullish in the future, adding that Tesla's market cap will be more than that of Apple and her uncle's Consolidated Musk. Additionally, after Tesla delivered its profit for the second quarter of the last quarter of 2022 at a past profit call, most expressed that they accept that Tesla can far surpass Apple's momentum market cap, adding that he can see a likely path for Tesla to be worth more than Apple and Saudi Aramco joined. One must say that he doesn't anticipate that this should be simple or even happen at any point in the near future. He predicts that the vehicle organization will be generally 2 times the worth of Saudi Aramco store throughout recent years. Musk has said that Tesla would continuously continue to build the cost of its full self-driving bundle as usefulness works on prompting the genuine last type of item, which is the ability to completely drive independently. In like manner, Musk likewise talked about Tesla's Gigafactory independence and the Ultimaker's arrangements to construct the Visa can drive for 50 to 60 hours, rather than 10 to 12 hours 7 days. About Tesla's potential, Musk expressed that Tesla intends to hit a 50% development rate later on in 2020, and the vehicle organizations expressed that over the long term, they hope to accomplish 50% normal yearly development in vehicle conveyances. It further expressed that the pace of development will depend on its hardware limits, industrial facility uptime, functional proficiency, and the limits and soundness of the store network. Tesla CFO Zachary Kirkhorn has likewise demonstrated that the 50 development target is a long-term normal, where a few years will see quicker development than others. Then again, another person has accepted that while Tesla is still prone to accomplishing its 50 creation development target, focus on the organization will be unable to accomplish its 50 conveyance development target. Do you think in